Everyone loves a delicious spaghetti dinner, but after eating it, you just feel weighed down, and it's loaded with fat and carbs that pack on the pounds. Introducing Veggetti, the fast, easy way to turn veggies into delicious spaghetti in seconds. It's tasty, healthy, and won't weigh you down. Watch, just place a zucchini into Veggetti and turn. In just seconds, you've got tasty zucchini spaghetti with perfect pasta texture. The secret is the specially designed stainless steel blades on each side that effortlessly slice through vegetables for endless pasta strips. One side for thin cuts and the other for thick cuts. Add marinara sauce and parmesan, top with garlic and olive oil, or make delicious primavera. Serve with a creamy Alfredo sauce or mouth-watering meat sauce. Look, ordinary pasta has over 800 calories and 160 grams of carbs, but zucchini pasta has just 60 calories, 8 grams of carbs, and it's gluten-free. Use Veggetti for delicious squash pasta with peppers. Get creative with carrots and honey. Veggetti cucumbers for a crispy salad. Even make a veggie noodle stir-fry. Veggetti potatoes for hash browns and potato pancakes. And make unforgettable garnishes in seconds. It's dishwasher safe and stores in a drawer, so don't bulk up on carb-loaded spaghetti. Introducing Veggetti, the fast, easy way to turn veggies into delicious spaghetti in seconds.